Hello and welcome to another quick training tutorial. In this training tutorial, I'm going to show you the quick import feature. Now, what is quick import? What does it do? And how would it benefit you? The quick import feature allows you to import a credit report automatically. It would eliminate the process of you having to log into your client's credit monitoring service, download the credit report, then upload it here in the software. Now, the quick import feature would save you a lot of time and would make your life easy in terms of importing and preparing their account information in preparation for your disputes. In order for you to use the quick import feature, first, you need to collect your client's credit monitoring credentials. Now, for you to collect your client's credit monitoring credentials, there are multiple ways of doing so. But for you to find the client's credit monitoring credentials once they submitted it, you just have to go to customer screen, and from here under the action section, just click on the last icon that says credit monitoring and a pop-up would appear. Now in the credit monitoring pop-up, you would see a training video on the drop down just in case you get lost into navigation, so you could watch this out. Now this is where you could see the client's credit monitoring credentials. Again, there are multiple ways of your client submitting this information to you. The easiest way is through the client auto sign-up process, which is the onboarding process that your clients go through when you send them the contract. Once they submitted their credit monitoring credentials from there, it would automatically update right here. And by that time, the quick import feature would now be available for you to use. The other way is if you already have your client set as active, which means they already have access to the client tracking portal. They could update it from there as well. Now lastly is when your client submitted their credit monitoring credentials to you separately, maybe emailed to you, so you can manually input it right here. You just have to click on edit and fill out the fields right here. So you can input the username, the password, the last four of the socials, the report provider or the credit monitoring service, and you could also put some notes right here, and then just click on save. Once you already have the credentials saved right here, you are now ready for you to use the quick import feature. Now let me show you which screens the quick import feature is available, as it is available not only on one screen. We have it available in the dispute manager screen, so you can just simply click on the dispute icon under the action section, and it would route you to the dispute manager screen. You could also go through the dispute manager tab if you want to. Click on dispute manager. Now from here, you just have to go to add items section. Then you can click on the import credit report. Then do the quick import from here. Now, the first thing that you need to do once you're on the screen is to choose the report type. So whatever credit monitoring service your client is using. Now, if you choose the report type wherein it's different from the credentials that you have saved in their profile, let's say Identity IQ, you would only have this option to upload the credit report and then import it manually. But if you're choosing the same report type that your clients have uploaded for their credit monitoring credentials, so this client is using Smart Credit, there you go, then this icon would change to quick import. Now all you have to do is just click on quick import and it would automatically import the credit report of your client. The other section where you can do the quick import is the tracking, where you can run a fast check. So we just have to go back and then go to tracking. Same thing, all you have to do is choose the report type and then click on the quick import. Next is the paper deletion screen under billing. If you go to billing and then go to paper deletion, the quick import feature is available for you to use whenever you want to build an estimate right here. So what you need to do is choose the client first, choose the report type, and then do the quick import. So you can scroll down, or you can just use the search box feature. And then there you go. So the quick import feature in the screen is used for building the good faith estimate. The last screen is the import analysis. This is when you try to build a credit analysis or a credit problem analyzer. Now all you have to do is choose the report that you'll be pulling. So you have the option to choose just the analysis, the problem analyzer. You could run both and put it on a separate PDF, or you could run both and put it on the same PDF. So let's say, for example, analysis and analyzer on separate PDF. Choose the client. And then choose the credit monitoring service or the report type. And then you can now click on Quick Import. Once you do so, the report will now show up right here in the grid. So this is an example. So that would complete our quick train tutorial on the Quick Import feature.